Hey, Steve Zellenardi with Treviso Realty. We're up north this week. We're promoting our southern branch, Treviso Realty. Great turnout. We had a lot of people come shake hands with the man in Florida, and it looks like we got a lot of money coming into the state very shortly, which is fantastic. A lot of interest going forward from the webinar we hosted last week, and then the day after we had an investor seminar, or webinar rather, a lot of interest there, and then also a lot of interest that we've just saw over the weekend in the small little community where we used to own a property, which is fantastic. So good news, we're going to be bringing in a lot of money into the state, which we're really excited about. A lot of people want to start moving money out, either diverting into different investments out of Canada rather, and then ultimately into the state of Florida, where we can buy in properties that are cash flow positive and also manage them under one roof, which is exciting for people because they don't have to worry about it, and they know when we buy them a property, it's going to be flood proof, let's just say that, so they're not going to get affected by anything with insurance policies and stuff like that, so it's a safe investment. Another thing we'll talk about inventory now, we're 24,584 units, so we're dropping gradually, which is exciting. I'd love to see this thing in the 17,000s where we really make sense and we start really cooking. We're at 496 sales, or closed rather, in the last 7 days, and then Estero, we're down inventory as well, 890 units with 31 closed, which is awesome. Another exciting thing to look at, remember, we're looking at fuel right now. You fill up at the tanks right now, depending on which gas stations. But ultimately, I'm seeing at 290 to 280 a gallon right now, which is fantastic. So that's obviously we're in the right direction. Barrel of oil is under $60, so this is great. And obviously, that's going to do. It's going to obviously affect everything that we're doing daily as a family, buying and purchasing, obviously, when that comes down. And then this is another factor, which is really, really exciting. Look at our inflation rate. We were in Jan. This is when obviously Trump took possession of the company, whether the country rather. The Trump administration came in at 3%. We were at 2.8, March 2.4, and then April we're reported at 2.3%, which is the lowest since February of 2021, which is exciting. Obviously, we just need Jerome Powell to do his thing and lower those rates. So JP, lower those rates, buddy. We're ready to go. We got to get cooking. We have a pent-up demand of buyers. I think currently right now we're sitting between 40 and 45 buyers ready to pull the trigger. Right now it's just about affordability between either out of state or out of country buyers right now. So that's clearly where we are right now. But have a great day. We'll be back in Florida bright and early on Thursday. Excited to get back. We are in the 50s down here, so it's but I also got a suntan, believe it or not, yesterday at the event, so it's all good. Sun is strong, air is cold. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you soon. Ciao.